So question number 5. In an arc welding process, welding speed is doubled, assuming all other process parameters to be constant. The cross-sectional area of the weld bead will increase by 25%, increase by 50%, reduce by 25%, or reduce by 50%. Since all the process parameters are constant, it is given to you. So what we will do is that we will be starting our discussion based on the material deposition rate. Right? What is metal deposition rate? It is nothing but it is the volume of material deposited per unit time, right, to form the weld bead. So how it is given by, let me tell you, we are solving question number 5. So metal deposition rate is given by volume per unit time, or also you can write it as area into length per unit time, and also you can write it as area into velocity. Right? I hope that it is very much clear, there is nothing to explain. So you can see that in the first case, MDR, metal deposition rate number 1, area is its area into velocity, A into here, simply A1 into V1, yeah. And now what will happen to this area if what will happen to this area if the welding speed is doubled? So metal deposition rate 2 will become A1 times 2V1. Yeah, this is what going to happen, right? Right. And since it is given that assuming all other process parameters are going to be constant, so we can equate these two equations directly, and we will get that. Let us call it A2. Yeah, like this. So we can equate this thing. So A1 V1 equals A2 into 2V1. So V1 and V1 got cancelled, and A1 we have got is twice of A2, right? So this is our next equation. Suppose let us call it first equation, and we have to find out the change in area. So for that, what we can do is it's percentage change actually. Percentage change in area is nothing but A1 was the initial value, right? And this is A2 divided by A1 into 100. And A1 is nothing but 2A1, it's 2A2, and minus A2 by A1 is nothing but again 2A2 times 100. So you will see that it is 1 by 2 into 100. So you can see that it is around 50%, right? It's 50%. What I think is that it is going to be, I did a slight mistake over here. It should be A2 minus A1, because we are talking about the change, right? So it's A2 minus A1, and that is why it is going to be like this. So it was a minor change that I am going to make. So it is nothing but minus 1 by 2 into 100. Now it is correct actually, right? So you are going to get minus 50% as the answer. So this is your percentage change in area, and it is minus 50%. Because what we do is we are talking about the change, right? And the change is nothing but the final value minus the initial value divided by the initial value. Yeah. So it's minus 50%. Yeah. So the correct option should be the option D, right? Option D is correct. Reduce by 50%. Yeah, you may note it down.